Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. So today we are gonna unbox this package which I just got from the Amazon. It's a Bosch mixer, that 1000 watt one. As you all know, there is a sale going on, so I got this one for like 5600 or something with some discount like 1000 rupees cashback and SBI card offer. So around I got it for like 4200 after all the cashback. So as you all know, I simply unbox whatever I order online. So this is one of those products. And if you are enjoying my video or unboxing like this, please do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. So let's start the unboxing. Let's hope we will get everything in a good shape, because as per the reviews, many people got the defective item, so I'm not sure how it's gonna be. Which side is the right one? Yeah, so MRP is 9149. So I got it like for 55% discount or something like that. Okay, so let's unbox this. And guys, as I'm new to YouTube, so I'm not sure whether my audio quality is good, and if you have any feedback or any suggestions like how am I supposed to shoot the videos and make the content, feel free to give me the feedback in the comment section, because if I will get the feedback, only then I will be able to improve and shoot accordingly. It seems now we will have, this is the last one I believe, if I'm not wrong. Let's try. Okay, so you can simply remove it like this and put it back like this. This one is same as others, no issues whatsoever. So here we have a juicer. Okay, so this is the mash to separate the seeds and all the leftover parts. So I'm gonna try to make some pineapple juice and see if it works. Before I do that, let me show you something. This is the mixer, and when I put it on the table, then I noticed, just hear the sound. See, the grip was pretty solid, and I like that. Okay, so no ways this is gonna be a silent one, as it is mentioned on the Amazon as well and their website that it is similar to a lawn motor. So we will check that out. So let's try to plug it in and try to turn it on and see how it goes. Alright, so now that everything is in place, let's try to make some juice. I've connected it to power. Let me check. Oh boy, it's pretty loud. Let me show you. So this sound was with windshield on the mic. Okay, so let's fit the jar. I hope I am doing it right. Okay. Alright, so it seems I was doing something wrong with the mixer or juicer, I should say, because I did not plug it in the strainer in the right way. I just read the manual. So first thing, pineapple one didn't work at all, and I know I made a mistake. So now this time let's try with sweet lemon or sweet lime. It seems to be working, and see if we get the results. Because on the YouTube I saw one of the videos where this internal part was moving, but it is not supposed to be moving at all because it gets locked. So either something wrong with that one in that particular video or with the one which I got. So let's try it once again and see if it works. As you can see, there is already some Now let me show you. Okay, still some of the sweet lemon is there. Let me try to push it. With this spatula. To be honest, everything is a mess now. Now this time it worked. Let me show you. Only the pulp is left. So let's So this is how much I got with 2 sweet lemons, around 200 ml. Let me taste it. It is pulpy, yes, but it seems to be a little bit bitter in taste. Maybe because I didn't added any sugar, or these sweet limes were not ripe, because one of them was like kinda light yellowish in color. So here's the review. In order to make the juice, you have to put the limes and then pineapple again, and if it is not moving, try to push it a little further using that spatula. And I was misled by that video because this part is not supposed to be moving because it is locked, as you can see, so it is not gonna move. So this is how I figured it out. So I just wasted my pineapples, but that's fine. Now I know how to make juice out of this, and I was worried like something must be wrong, but everything seems to be fine. The jar is looking good and it is not broken or any defect at all. So the honest review is pineapple juice didn't work. Sweet lime one worked, but it is bitter in taste, so I will try again with some ripe ones. I will taste it beforehand before putting it into the jar. So that's pretty much it for this long video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you have any questions or any feedback, do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, stay connected.